You are welcome to week 3 of our Forex trading school. And in this week, we'll be looking at exploring the trading platforms. So, we are going to be focusing on MT4. We have a lot of trading platforms out there. For instance, we have TradingView, we have MT4, MT5, and even most brokers now have their own app, their own trading platforms. But I'm not going to be using the brokers platform. I'm going to be using something that is universal. I'm going to be using MT4 and MT5. But for the purpose of this course, I'm going to be focusing on MT4. Okay, if you look at my screen, you will see the icon of MT4, that is MetaTrader 4. In our previous class, I told us to download this very app, and I expect us by now that we should have opened our demo account, that is the practice account, so that you can follow me, because I said that this week we'll be going into the main business. We're going to be opening the charts proper, and from this week is going to be serious business. Okay, from this week 3, make sure you don't miss any class. Continue to follow if you really want to be successful in this industry, the financial market industry. All right, so quickly now, I'm going to open this app, MetaTrader 4, and I'm going to log in that very demo account that I opened last week during the teaching, so that we can use it and explore this MetaTrader 4. We're going to look at how this app looks like and what you can do with this app, how trading is done with this app. I'm going to be explaining everything in details. So come with me as we move into lesson 1. Now let's log in. The moment I opened my MT4, this is what I saw. You will see a blank space like this. So I do not have any account logged into this app before now. Okay, I had to log out all my apps so that I can teach you, so that you can follow through, right? So now I'm going to log in my demo account into this app. Look at this place with a human head. I'm going to click on this icon right now. So from there, I'm now going to log in my details. Before we log in, it is important for you to note that I am using a tablet for this teaching. A tablet will give almost the same interface as a phone. As we move, I'm going to take some of these lessons in a laptop for the purpose of those that will be using laptop. So, and in some cases as well, I'm going to be putting up a phone interface so that everyone will be carried along. So in some lessons it will be phone, in some lessons it will be laptop, and just as I said, a tablet is very close to a phone interface. Now let's log in. When I click on that very icon with the head of a human, it will bring me to this place. As you can see, what is written here, it said you haven't added any trade account yet. To add, tap plus in the upper right. Now I'm going to click on the plus sign in the upper right, that is this. So you will see new account, open a demo account. I'm going to be using this option, log into an existing account. Why? Because I have opened a demo account, or maybe for you, if you're already trading a live account, you have opened a live account with your broker where you put in your real money. Okay, so let's log in by clicking on login to an existing account. Now, when I click on login, you will see the option of find broker. Now, what do you do here? This is a place where you put the name of your broker. Now, when you go back to your email where the details of your live account or demo account was sent to you, you will see server. And under that server, if you use the broker that I used for the teaching, you will see HF Markets SV dash demo server. Now, that is what is expected for you to put here. Okay, if you use the live account, it will not be demo, it will be live account details. But this is exactly the detail you are expected to choose in the options that will be given to you. Now, I'm going to type in exactly that detail here under Find Broker field. HF Markets, then SV, then hyphen demo server. You can see, so I will select on that option, then I will log in my details, account number for my demo account, then I will put in the password. Remember that the password is case sensitive. Where there is capital letter, you have to put capital letter, otherwise you will be seeing authentication failed. So now I will put my password. Okay, the moment I am done inserting my password, you will see save password. I like to keep my details saved so that I will not have to log in each time I open my phone to trade. So, and then I will click on sign in. So you can see, as I clicked on sign in, you can see that my demo account has been signed in. You remember that from that class, I selected $5,000 demo account. You can see the label demo account showing you that it is not a real account. For those of us asking, can I withdraw money from my demo account? No, you did not put in any money there. It is just a money given to you by your broker to use for the purpose of practice. But you are being launched into a real market where people who trade with their real money are operating. But I advised that you should try as much as possible to use the smallest amount. That is something that is very close to the capital you will be using to start up your own live account when you have learned. Now, let's get into the platform. Now, for me to get into the platform, I'm going to click on this very icon with two arrows, two opposite arrows. I'm going to click on it right now. And the moment I click on it, you can see I am now launched into MT4. Now, automatically, when you look at my MT4, you will see about two parts of the MT4. You can see these parts where my pairs are represented, and then you can see this pair where there is what? Movement. That is where price of this very asset is moving. So automatically you will see something like this once you open. But peradventure, we will start with what? How can you add your pair of interest? For instance, I trade gold. Okay, now gold is not here, and I would like to add gold as what? My pair of interest. If you don't know what pair is at this point, that means you have missed week 1, lesson 2, where we discussed terminologies. It was the very first thing that I talked about in that week, in that lesson. So please, if you are strange with these names that I will be calling now, go back to week 1, lesson 2, where I defined different terminologies that I use in the financial market. And then let me add my pair of interest. I'm clicking here, all right, and then let's see. Now, as you can see, as I've clicked on this, on that plus, you will see folders of different financial assets or securities. You can see Forex. The first thing you'll see there is Forex. Next is indices, spot oil. You can trade oil. You can trade shares of companies in UK. You can see futures. You can see shares of European countries. You can see crypto, commodities, oil, and so on and so forth. Also, going down, you can see gold. So what do? I will click on the folder of the pair that I'm trading. So let me go and select gold. Now, the moment I selected gold, you can see I have gold versus euro spot and gold spot. That is gold versus USD. You can see it here. Okay, people trade gold with euro and people trade gold with USD. It doesn't mean that you have to have any of these currencies to start trading the commodity that you want? No. Okay, we are coming to that gradually. So I will now click on that very asset that I want to trade, and automatically it is added to my list. So let me go back and click on this. And then as I clicked on it, you will see gold right below here. Right below here, you can see it, gold. Okay, anyone you want to appear on your chart here, what you do is kindly click on it. That is for this tablet, you just click and automatically it appears here for you. So next thing, having shown you how to log in and how to add your pairs of interest, now there is something very important I want to touch in this lesson, which is what? Spread. In week 2, I talked about spread and I said I will be showing you on charts what spread means. Now listen carefully, let me demonstrate. Watch these two prices. You can see we have two legs. One of the price 5482, 548, this is it. Then the red line is this second price. Okay, the red line is this second price. It will keep changing because market is right now open. Okay, what happens about spread, okay, is that your broker will give you Euro USD at a price that is kind of higher than what the financial markets has listed for Euro USD to be sold or bought. Okay, I just want you to understand it literally. Let me demonstrate Euro USD to be a car. Okay, Euro USD being a car is sold for $2,000 in the financial market, but your broker is now giving you at a price of $2,001. Okay, the difference between what is in the market and what your broker is giving you is what we call spread. And what is the implication? When you buy this at a high price of 2001, you don't automatically start with profit, right? Until the price of the financial market gets to this 2001 before you start making profit. That is why when we are opening a live account, you will see that one of the options that was given for a live account is zero spread. Okay, they are telling you that they are going to offer you, if you choose that account, that they are offering you any pair you choose at exactly the price that that pair is sold for in the financial market. I don't know if this is well understood. So that is it for lesson 1. Let's move over to lesson 2.